Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to review transactions before running a GL audit numbering sequence in NetSuite. Don't forget to visit coleno.com for more tools and information to enhance your accounting processes, and let's get started. So first we need to access the GL audit numbering review page. So you will go to transactions, then we're looking for management, and then we're looking for GL audit numbering sequences, and you select review. So the GL audit numbering review page lists transactions available for numbering. You can verify on that page the transactions are accurate before assigning GL audit numbers. You do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and please note that transactions require approval before receiving a GL audit number. View level or above of the Make Journal entry permission is required to see GL impact. And third, editing a numbered transaction generates adjustments transactions to preserve the original GL impact. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Thank you for watching.